Hello, muffins! It is I, the Candy Corn Queen, and today I wanted to show you how I make these little tiny candy pumpkins. If you were around last year, you'll remember that I had an epic stream where I made a whole bunch of these, and I put them on the garland that is hanging behind me right now. And I made a bunch of different colored little pumpkins, and it was so much fun. So I'm going to share with you how to make these. They are super simple to make. You just need 13 beads. It is 10 orange, 2 black, and 1 green. And of course, you can switch up the colors too. I made like a whole rainbow of pumpkins. So let us start. I'm going to use 2 feet of my 1mm elastic cord, which I got from beadtin.com. Not sponsored, they're just my favorite candy supply store. So I'm gonna grab 2 feet of that. 1 feet would probably be enough, but I don't want to cut it too close, you know? So take the string and fold it in half, holding your 2 ends together. Now next, I'm going to place 1 orange bead onto each end of the string. And then let me grab my black beads. I only need 2. So I'm going to put my black bead, just 1 black bead, onto both ends of string at once. I'm going to hold them together. Slide that black bead on there. Then I'm going to put 1 orange on each end of the string again. Place the 2 ends of string together, slide on 1 black bead, and then once again put 1 orange bead onto each end of the string. And then slide the beads down towards the middle of the folded in half piece of string. And then I'm going to situate these beads and pull on them to get it nice and tight. And it should look like this. So cute. Cute little beady eyes. Literally beady because they're made of beads. Okay. Now I'm going to tie a a double knot. I'm going to tie a double knot here. This is the odd peyote stitch, by the way. So I've got that double knotted. It's so cute already. I'm going to take 1 end of my string and place it through one of the orange beads that's on the end. Then place on 1 orange bead and put the string through the middle orange bead. Then put on another orange bead. Put the string through the end orange bead. Tighten that up. Then I will take the string and place it through the orange bead that's right next to where the string is coming out of. And it's popped up, so it's pretty easy to see. And this is where I'm going to place my green bead. Put my green bead on there, and then I'm going to put my string through the next orange bead that is popped up. And now that side is all done. So now I'm going to flip my pumpkin over and then grab that other string and place it through the orange edge bead that is popped up. Place on 1 orange bead And then place the string through the middle orange bead. Add another orange bead. And I'm gonna put my string through the edge orange bead. Tighten that. Now all that's left is to tie off this tiny adorable pumpkin. So I'm going to put my string back through the bead I just added. Then through the next 3 beads, so all the way to the edge. I'm just gonna thread it through without adding any beads. All right, and once I reach the edge, I'm gonna gently tighten that, and then I'm going to place the string through the bead right above the bead it's coming out of. Right there. And now I've got one string coming out of this bead and one string coming out of this bead. And I'm just going to tie a triple knot there. Make sure that you tug firmly to tighten. And cut the tails off. And then what I'm going to do is just tug on the stem a little bit to get the knot to like suck into the bead so that it's hidden. I really like making these with clear string. I like the look of it. However, working with clear elastic is really difficult because it's slippery, it comes untied easily, and it breaks easily. So today I'm just using elastic. It's alright, they still look good. Just using the white elastic. And these are two slightly different shades of orange. This one's kind of got more red to it. And this one's like a lighter orange. And they're so freaking adorable. So, let me know, you guys. What are you gonna use your tiny pumpkins for? What crimes will they commit? And until next time, peace, love, unity, and respect.